Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if money simply didn't exist? No dollars, no coins, no crypto, no banks. Just people, needs, and resources. At first glance, it might seem peaceful: no bills, no debt, no poverty. But is it really that simple? Without money, how would you get food, shelter, or clothes? Bartering? Trading skills? Could we build a system purely on trust and cooperation? Imagine asking your neighbor to give you apples in exchange for digital design skills. Sounds nice until winter comes and apples are gone. Our world runs on value, and money is how we measure it. But without it, who decides what's valuable? Would gold regain importance? Would favors become currency? Would we slip into chaos or evolve into a utopia? Even crime would change. No bank robberies, but more resource hoarding, maybe even violence over food. Or maybe, just maybe, we'd create a better world. One where humans collaborate, not compete. A society where knowledge, kindness, and time hold more weight than digits in a bank. But could we handle the shift? Or are we too deep into money's grip to let go? So, what do you think? Would a moneyless world be better or worse?